were killing me, but I was like,
Hey everybody, this is John from Rockville Bike Hub, and we're with Kevin and volunteering here in the Gaithersburg Fix-It Fair. There's a number of different booths, I guess, in the Fix-It Fair. You know, a small appliances booth, 3D printing. Let's see what we got here. PC and laptop diagnostics, tool sharpening, unfixable stuff, I guess. Environmental Action Committee, a board of everything that's been fixed. So is this like the second year that Rockville Bike Hub's done it? And last year was like 20. Last year was 25 bikes in 4 hours. Okay.
after 12 o'clock, anyone can bring a bike in.
Yeah. So that's another thing for everyone watching the video who will come in next year. So after it's from 10 to noon for appointments, and noon to 2 p.m. This year it's Saturday, June 14th, but next year's probably the second Saturday in June, typically.
Yeah. You try to have it one earlier than March.
Oh, not enough people or something. Yeah, so there might be like two per year, but you know, just great for people further north of Rockville like us. Yeah, to come.
If it's a bike we can't really take care of, we're mainly doing maintenance today. Filling them up and getting them straight, pump the tires up.
Yeah.
If we can't get it fixed, we'll send them down to the shop.
Yeah, so it's a great point. So we're just giving tune-ups, lubing up the bikes, adjusting brakes and shifters, but for replacing parts, you know, we don't have all that there. So there's you know, the shop for that. You know, Rockville Bike Hub just reopened about a few weeks ago. And I'll get some video of that too in the future. All right, thanks for watching.